Hey guys, let's unbox the blind boxes that I got from Miniso. I honestly didn't even know what I got, but I can't wait to open these and see what's inside. Oh my god, fun fact, this was one of my favorite childhood characters. Wow, this is actually so cute. Honestly, the most exciting part was unboxing it and seeing what's inside and actually building up the toys. And don't forget to sign up for the Miniso membership and you'll get a free blind box when you spend over $20 in your birthday month. Oh my gosh, I might be obsessed with these and I think this one is my favorite. And which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments.